Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis before, but it's been a while, but I want to get some things updated here as this one has been kind of in a slow and steady drift to the downside. Showed a little bit of signs of strength today, so, give some credit where credit's due from where there was at, the price was at its lows to where it ultimately closed. Yeah, a little bit of a bounce there, but still work to be done. But that also brings about that first key level of support to kind of keep an eye on. And it's not necessarily a level, but more so just kind of the concept that, yeah, the price is working its way in the upwards direction, and that's why that would be called an uptrending trend line, because the price is trending up in the very, in the very short time frame. Like I said, this just represents today's price action of Friday in and of itself. So keep a close eye on that, and that would be the preferable area of support, meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above that trend line. Now, if the price does not hold up above it, the next key level of support at that point would be down here at that low of the $40.50 mark. And just in case the price were to go down there and then break through there, the next very important level of support would be down here at $30 or $39.75. Why is that level important? Well, $39.75, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of illustrate why I would consider that level quite important. If the price were to go down to $39.75 and then break below there and separate to the downside, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that hasn't been seen for, several weeks. So the price has, not been down in this range for a long time. And assuming you're bullish, then of course you don't want to see the price going back inside of that range. So that is why, I would consider $39.75 a very important level. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, meaning if this movement is going to get some more momentum, the key level to keep an eye on is going to be the moving averages right there, the 50 period moving average and the 200 period, which are right around those, the $42 mark, give or take a little bit. And I'm being a little sketchy with that because they are moving averages, so those values are going to change, as next week plays out. But just right around 42 is kind of a good ballpark number to keep an eye on going forward. So overall, yeah, a pretty rough week, but the price did start to show some upward signs of potential strength there. So we'll see if they can build upon that or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.